Hola everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for coming through. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment a little something that you may want to see, what you think about the video that you're about to watch, and of course don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that little notification bell, that way you are aware whenever other future content comes out. Thanks to you guys for all the continuous love and support as I am slowly growing, and also I hope everyone is staying healthy and safe at home throughout these crazy times. And to get started, I'm actually super excited for today. I'm usually pretty super excited all the time, but in particular this day, because today I will be unboxing the Huda Beauty mystery box, which is not really a box, it ends up being like a bundle, but we'll get right to that. So if you're interested, yeah, let's get started. Okay, so basically Huda Beauty released last week, I guess, 2 mystery bundles. There was 2 different ones. One was a large bundle, which retailed for $89, and one was a small bundle that retailed for $50. The large one, which is the one that I got this time, is the value of $206, while the small one is the value of $122. I thought about getting both of them, but I really just wanted to see what this was about, because I did know that this is one of the first times that she does that, if not the only time she's ever done it. And on top of that, I saw that it was like a limited edition. It was supposed to be only for 2 days, but I don't think that that's accurate, because I got on the site before and it's still on there. So if you are interested in anything you see, I'll link the description box below. You guys can check it out. And like I said, it's $89, so not too bad. But anyway, the mail came yesterday. I was really annoyed because it's been raining a lot. They dropped off the box right in front of my thing and it got completely soaked. So I did open it up just to make sure nothing was damaged. And it really just looks like this. The stuff and the goodies is basically inside. It's a little tote, which is really, really cute. And it also came in, which is nice, it came with these little things that basically tell you the products that are inside there and what they actually retail for. So that's just good to know. That way, as I go through, I'll let you guys know what it retails at, and I'll let you guys know the end retail price of everything. So as you open this up, got a little bit of tissue paper. Yeah, pink tissue paper, put that to the side. This is cute, like I said, because it's just a little bag that you can kind of use to travel with, put more makeup in or any of that good stuff. And it looks like you have a Huda Beauty Mystery Bundle little coupon. It says that you can enjoy 15% off your next order. And the coupon code, this is new phase. NEWFAVS, all uppercase, in case you guys want to use it. I don't know if it's just for me, but even if it's not, y'all can have it. So, and this is what the bundle looks like. I can already see a couple of goodies in there. So I'm going to go ahead and open this and we'll just get started. Alright guys, let me tell you, this was very annoying to get open, but it's open and basically everything is right in front of me. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the first thing that I see, and this looks like it is Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. This is what the packaging looks like. Let me just go ahead and let you guys know what this one actually comes out to. $32 is how much this base is. And there's the packaging for that. I'm going to go ahead and try it out just to kind of see what it looks like. I've never actually used any kind of primer. Oh, this is totally different than what I thought. As you can see, look at the applicator, and it looks like it's clear. There we go. It's very watery, but I like it. It's nice and soft, nice and soothing. Okay, like I said, I've never tried any of these products. If you guys do see anything that you like in this box and you want me to kind of take a look at it or review it or do a look with any of it, let me know and I can do that. It has a nice fresh smell to it. It kind of reminds me of, I think there's a touch of soul or something like that has a liquid one like that, and it kind of reminds me of that. So first one I'm jumping into is the one by obviously Huda Beauty, and it's called Emerald Obsessions. This is what the packaging looks like. These are the minis. I know that they've done these minis in the past before, and I think that they have the newer ones now. This one retails at $27, and obviously it's going to be an emerald color. It's actually pretty because it has the little mirror there, which right there, and these are what the shades look like. It's very, very nice. Honestly, I was kind of hoping I would get a different one. I'm not going to swatch this one because I feel like there's a big possibility that I might be putting in this giveaway, which, like I remind you guys all the time, make sure you are subscribing to the channel. That way you guys have a chance to win my big beauty, self-care, lifestyle giveaway that I'll be doing once I meet 500 subscribers. So that one I'm putting to the side. It's really beautiful, but I don't want to touch it. The next one is another Obsessions palette. This one is the ruby one. Now this, I don't have any of these, So obviously I want to keep one of them, which is probably going to be this one. This one also retails at $27. This one is so pretty. And these are what the colors look like. Same thing as before, has a little mirror. Pretty small, but very nice. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a couple little swatches just to kind of see. Oh my gosh, you know what? Yeah, let's go ahead and do this red one, of course, right here. Ooh, that's kind of like an orange, red orange, I thought. And then let's go ahead, and this one right here is calling my name. It's like Jessie, Jessie. Oh wow, that's actually very pretty. Hold on. Look at that. And let's do a third one just because why not? You know what? Let's do this one right in the middle of it. Okay. These shades are absolutely beautiful. I really, really like it. I do own, actually, you know what? I don't own as many Huda Beauty products as I would like to, so that's exactly why I jumped on this, because I thought it would be really cool to have. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump to the next one, which is a big boy right here, and this one looks like it's Desert Dusk palette, and this is what this one looks like. This one I know is a little bit more expensive, as it retails at $65. So let's go ahead and open it up. Oh wow. Well, she is absolutely stunning. So as you can see, this is what the packaging looks like. She looks absolutely beautiful, like always. I'm gonna go ahead and get this one open. It comes with a little cover just like this, and a mirror like all of them, and here are what the shades look like. That is very, very, very beautiful. And this is the reason why I'm not mad about the fact that I did buy this, because this one alone cost $65. And for 89 bucks, you basically got 3 eyeshadow palettes, a primer, and I got 2 lippies that I'll be getting to next. So just for the hell of it, because I've actually never tried this, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys some swatches. I'm gonna swatch the whole thing for you. This is truly a beautiful palette. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm gonna be doing the swatches from left to right, the top, second, and third row. This palette actually does have 18 different colors, which is really, really nice. So let me go ahead and start it from left to right. So now, like I said, we have Desert Sand, we have Musk, Eden, Amber, Blood Moon, which is so beautiful. I don't know if you can even tell how pretty it is up there. And the last one is, I'm not sure exactly how it's pronounced, but it's spelled Q-U-D. So I don't know if it's Cud or Cood, or I'm not sure. But that's the first row, so let me go ahead and do the second row for you guys. So from left to right, like I said, we have Celestial, then we have Nefertiti. Twilight is this beautiful shimmer one right here in the middle. Next to that, we have Amethyst, then Royal, and lastly, we have Retrograde. Those are so pretty. All right. Let me go ahead and do the last row. All right, and the last row is absolutely stunning as well. Between the second and the third row, they're beautiful. So here are the colors, and as you can see while it moves, it's the shimmer and the iridescence is just stunning. So we have Cashmere, Angelic. This one right here is kind of like a pressed glitter, and that is the color Cosmo. Next we have Turkish Delight, followed by Saffron. And the last one, which is kind of like a dark orange terracotta color, is called, I can't read it, Blazing. Okay. Beautiful. All right. I'm obsessed with this palette. Let's just take a look at it one more time. Look at that, guys. So pretty. It actually looks better in the swatches than it does in the pan. It's very nice. I was a little bit let down that she didn't put anything newer like the Retrograde palette in there, because that's really what I was hoping for. But I don't have that palette, and it's absolutely stunning, so I'm not mad at it at all. Okay, so pressing on to lippies. It looks like we got 2 of them. This is the packaging for both of them. They're beautiful packaging. They're clear with, of course, the lips on them. And we have 2 different colors. One is called Chica, and the other one is Fashionista. This is what they look like. And it looks like both of them retail at $20. So let me go ahead and start with Fashionista. All right, the package is very sleek. It's very pretty. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one for you. I'm not gonna apply this one on my lip because I do want to try the other one instead. But, oh, in case you're wondering about the applicator, that's what it looks like. Okay, and here is what this color looks like. That is Fashionista. It's very pretty. And next we have the one that I've been wanting to try, and like I said, this one is called Chica. Geez, guys, that took a lot of me. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's more like a matte. This is kind of just on my level because I really, really like this type of color. It's almost like a pinky mauve type of color. It's almost like the color of my scrunchie, if you could see what it looks like. And that's the swatch. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on my lips just a little bit, just because I want to see what it looks like. Let me turn this on a little bit more. All right, guys. That's what it looks like. Chica. It's, oh shit, I got it on my cheek. But it's really, really pretty. It's stunning color. It doesn't feel any kind of tacky, like doesn't feel tacky or sticky or anything like that. In fact, it almost feels like lightweight and like it has like a little menthalness to it. I really, really like that color a lot. It's beautiful. And that is all she wrote, guys, for this bundle. So, like I did say, it does retail at $89. I'm gonna go ahead and add up all of these items that are in here just to kind of see what the actual bundle did retail at. And just for your information, this tote bag that I showed you guys is actually $10.10. So you can actually purchase this if you really want it. So it's part of the bundle as well. So take that into consideration. Okay, I'm back and it looks like the total is a whopping $201. It does say on there that it's a $206 value. It's the $5 short. Maybe that's the shipping, maybe that's the tax. I don't know. Overall, I'm not gonna lie, I wish that there was newer products in there. I think that would have made the box a little bit more, I don't know, better for me. And one thing just for you guys to do, oh my god, I forgot one thing, but I'll get back to that. One thing for you guys to keep in mind, if you guys do go out there, because like I said, they still are on sale on her beauties, on her site. If you get the small and the large one, just be aware that I've seen other people who have ordered both and the packaging has kind of been really off. They basically have one bag with all the stuff in there from both of the size boxes and an extra tote bag on the side. I know some people were kind of disappointed with that, and some people even got doubles of like the smaller palettes, which is kind of annoying. So that's just something to keep in mind if you did want to order both of them, because I know some people want to do that. If not, then maybe consider just getting one of them. But overall, this is super cute. This is a little thing for free that they throw in by the brand Wishful, which is basically Huda Beauty's brand for skincare, and this is, like I said, Wishful Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. I'm not going to open this up. It is a sample. I will try it out. If you guys want to check it out or want me to check it out for you guys, let me know. So basically that is it. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like it, is it a thumbs up in your book? Is it a thumbs down? For me, I actually do like it a lot because I don't have a lot of her products. So it's a nice start, you know, to kind of build from there. And like I said, I wish it was a little bit newer, but all in all, she did a nice job. So yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to clean this all back up and I'm going to add that to the giveaway that's going to be coming up very soon. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. So just like always, everyone stay safe, stay healthy. Muchas gracias. Ciao.